Good morning, doctor. Good morning. May I know your name, please? My name is Michael. Sit down, please. What is the matter with you, Michael? I have recently been to the gym for intensive exercises, but somehow I have got a pain in my shoulders. That's really bad, Michael. Remember, the exercises are good for your health, but too much exercise can cause injury. But I just want to lose weight as soon as possible. Trust me, Michael, it's a bad idea. You will be better when you take a few days off, but you still maintain your diet balanced. Okay, doctor, I'll take some prescriptions for your ache. May I come in? Come in, please. Hello, doctor. I have made an appointment 2 days ago. You are Tony, right? What's bringing you to my office today? I don't feel so right. I am a bit dizzy. Sit down. Breathe deeply, please. Can you describe more clearly? I have just vomited an hour ago, and I feel like it's coming back. And I also feel a little pain in my throat. Whenever I solve anything, my throat hurts a lot. And I have mild cough sometimes. Okay, I'll prescribe medicines for your throat pain as well as for cough. Let me examine your stomach. Okay, Tony, I'm afraid an urgent operation is necessary. I'm always ready, doctor.